So we on dispatch. Here we go. Episode 4. Risk structure. Employees should be aware that if they enter into a personal relationship with a subordinate employee, a conflict of interest may exist. Okay. Wait, employees should be aware that if they enter a personal relationship. Are we going to enter a personal relationship, chat? Are we? Which requires full disclosure to the company. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Let's begin. Yo, goddamn! What?
Fuck.
Oh, Hilda! No, she had a dream. That I was fucking no. I am loyal to my lady, my only lady. सही है? Blonde bitch. Okay, the track is good. Okay, the track is so nice. Oh, nice. My baby. Wait, what? What?
Oh, look at you, the way he's scrambling.
Oh my god, what are you looking at on there?
Bro. Go do Don.
Coop was a friend of his. They used to date. You know, my last girlfriend was taller than me. She used to kiss me on my forehead a lot. It was nice. What are we talking about? Oh, right. Watch out for that salty little nutcracking motherfucker. The problem with only cutting one of them is now you gotta deal with their pissy friends poisoning the rest of the team.
Come on,
It's harmless,
Chase,
okay.
It's harmless. Who doesn't love an office prank?
Me, motherfucker. Don't even think about it. That's why I would've cut them all. Started with that asshole. Why's she staring at you? Don't you got some work
She
to
is
do?
staring at me.
Don't you got some dementia to onset?
तुझे नहीं पता मैंने इसको इतना किया है ना.
Blazer's looking at backfilling
चीका
the open
निकाल
spot
दिया
with
ने.
Phenomenal Man or Waterboy. You should think about who you'd want.
One of them is the poster boy of SDN and the other guy pukes water. What am I missing?
We now go live to the 405 where an unusual scene
What the fuck, phenomena man?
Shit.
Fuck you.
He looks rough.
What the fuck?
Sorry. Hey, I was watching that. Oh, sorry.
Looks like there's no wrong answer.
Well, sometimes it's more about the person than the powers. And good thing, because it's the only reason anyone gave your sorry ass a job.
All right, it wasn't that funny.
भाई इतना कुछ स्पॉइलर में आ रहा है, इतना कुछ स्पॉइलर में आ रहा है, इतना कुछ. Damn, I need to play this game again with no spoilers.
Protopulse test 7, pilot ready. We good up there?
Yeah, we good.
You can talk, I can hear you.
Oh, we good. All you, Mecha Man.
Let's go, Mecha Man.
System power.
Okay.
Simple locomotion.
Damn.
Complex locomotion.
Levels are stable. We onto something, bro.
Split kick,
This
shadow
is
box,
it.
jumping jacks. Split kick,
This is gonna be
shadow
it.
box, split kick.
You ever do that move in a fight?
I've never not done this in a fight, Lloyd.
What? What? No. The fuck?
Oh!
Wait, no.
Protopulse test 7. Failure.
No worries. We'll get there.
ये क्या हुआ है?
Roy, what
Pulse
is all
का
this
failure.
stuff?
Whole network is
Okay,
expected
so
for
it's not the
cross-border
astral pulse we have. We made a new pulse. So that's why हमारी pulse इतनी strong नहीं है. हमारी pulse इतनी शायद अच्छी नहीं है, reliable नहीं है.
Let's get this stuff. Cause we done bought a branch for SDN, we catch all kind of shit work, bro.
She just wanna fuck us.
Did you just give me an up down?
We take one bad guy stuff and use them for catch the other bad guy. Only good thing, a lot of upgrade possibilities.
You ever jerk off in this thing?
You low, Vizzy.
I mean, obviously you have, right? I should really be
All the
asking how often.
time,
Hey,
mate.
come on. I gotta work on this.
All the time, actually.
Bro.
I like to bust after every big bust, you know, and I was pretty successful, so you can imagine.
Sounds like loads of fun.
You two got one weird energy going on, huh?
You
Can you
confused,
handle
huh?
this HR violation some other place? I got work, yeah?
I know. Royd
Robert was
made
just
this pulse.
I can do this all day.
That's gonna be tough, because Blazer sent me to get you like half an hour ago, so...
Wait, what?
Shit, Blazer. Sorry.
Damn.
You know what? I can come back.
Oh no, don't worry. I got this.
Boba
thing tonight,
Klachi
and I was
pretty.
supposed to send the dress yesterday.
यार इतनी प्यारी है यार.
This isn't why you're here, but can you zip me up? It's not mine. By the way, they make me wear it, and it's back in the bag by midnight.
What is happening today?
What's up?
What's happening today? The thing you're going to.
SDN sponsoring a dinner gala thing. Radiant Valor, a night of triumph.
Why does that sound like a propaganda rally? There.
Thank you. Yeah, it does kind of sound like some sort of fascist-themed prom. What do you think? They were making alterations all morning.
No cause for alarm, but a little bit of your.
Wait, ये नहीं बोला था, ये नहीं बोला था, ये नहीं बोला था, ये
Slight
नहीं.
Q shift.
लेकिन चलो okay. I
I
think
don't think I've heard someone say areola out loud before.
It doesn't come up a ton now.
ये नहीं बोलना था
Alright,
यार.
for real now. How do I look? The breakup story is out, so I might be getting more attention.
Kind
than
of
I'm
pretty, I guess.
comfortable with.
Incredible.
I think you look incredible.
Thanks. I was supposed to be going with him, but I don't think he's going to be making it.
Woo?
The downtown branch dropped in.
Bro, no.
Indefinite suspension.
Is that your car?
I don't have a car.
That's gonna be a weird insurance claim.
I'd like for you to talk to him.
Me? Why me?
You're the pep talk guy. You've been through a transition recently yourself. I think he could use some perspective.
Like
Okay.
perspective to join the Z team? Chase mentioned it.
Yeah, the only candidates that make sense are him or Waterboy. And at the moment, it's close. Mostly, I'd like you to get him out of the parking lot. Oh, and tell him to stop with the edible arrangements. He keeps sending them, but with all melon.
That's disgusting. I'll see what I can do.
Okay, this episode is so great so far. Nice.
Hey, you phenomenon. How you doing, bud?
I have been better, Robert Robertson. The blonde blazer and I have.
I
ended
know,
our
man. You look
relationship.
like that.
Yeah, I heard about that. I'm sorry for your loss.
It's very abrupt. One moment we were savoring uni straight from the urchin. Next moment, I'm contemplating flying into the sun, absorbing all its energy and casting this planet into infinite darkness so that I never have to see her or anyone else ever again.
I can
Maybe
feel you,
then I
bro.
would be
By the
free
way,
of the torment
I
in
can
my
feel you.
soul.
I can feel
And
you.
Maybe then I could quiet my mind to these destructive thoughts.
I've been there. Last time I went through a breakup, I drank mezcal till I blacked out. When I came to, I was in a dark void.
You know,
surrounded
brother
by
to a
the
brother.
smell of rot.
I'm gonna
I
give
was
him the words he
convinced I
need.
died and
सही
turned
है
into a
वही
zombie.
अल्फाज दूंगा जो इनको
Turns
चाहिए.
out I passed out at a urinal and somebody threw me in a dumpster.
Thank you for sharing that. You are sad enough to
I'm
understand.
not a ruthless person, but तू अगर मेरे और blonde blazer के दरमियान में आएगा ना man, I'm gonna fuck you, bitch. Pow.
Do you think there is someone else? Perhaps another lover could be the cause of all this. Maybe she met a person. An actual person. I am not a person, I just resemble one anatomically.
I don't think so.
Look, I don't think there is, but even if there was, wouldn't that just make you feel worse?
I prefer when problems have solutions.
That's the thing, man. Phenomenon. Man. Her feelings aren't a problem.
नहीं chat listen to me should मैं तूने ही इनका ब्रेकअप करवाया है. Shit man, seriously man, listen to me ना. मैं इसको अभी कह देता अगर मैं कि भाई मैंने किस किया उसको, ये क्या करता मेरे साथ.
Solve. Blazer makes her own decisions, because that's what people do. She's her own person, and she decided she doesn't want to be with you.
Perhaps the fact that I am not a person is contributing to my confusion.
Yeah, listen, you know what, while we're at it, no more edible arrangements. They're just stinking up the break room.
It seems I have much to learn about people. Thank you. You've given me a great deal to think about.
Anytime. Well,
He would have kissed you,
actually, no,
man.
not anytime. Just sometimes, occasionally. Barely any.
It seems the velocity with which I sat up has shot shards of glass into your chest.
Well, shit.
Oh. I'm sorry, man.
Where was the shootout?
Parking lot. Didn't think taking a desk job would have me bleeding this often. What are you doing here?
I had a dream last night that we were fucking. Usually I don't remember my dreams, but this one was pretty vivid.
How did I do?
I didn't finish.
Not what I asked. We're talking about me.
How did I do?
So this is why you've been
Tell
acting
me,
so
Invisible.
weird all day.
I'm good.
I'm doing
I
that
am
thing
good.
where I imagine
I am
being
good.
with someone, you know? See how it feels, how it looks.
I am
You know,
good.
Like trying on a dress.
You wanna see?
You
You wanna
were
see? मैं कितना अच्छा
Could've
हूँ?
been.
You wanna see? You wanna see? You wanna fucking see? You wanna see? You wanna fucking see? You wanna see? You wanna see? You wanna? Ah! I am good, okay? I am good. I am good. I am good.
I could be anywhere.
You chose to
Oh,
be
shit.
here.
Sorry, I tried not to. I tried not to do that.
Don't worry about it, water boy. Bathrooms are for shitting after your first coffee and taking shrapnel out of your chest. Not for whatever this is.
Ugh, you ruined this for me!
I know.
Oh shit. My bad. Wait a second.
My apologies.
What the fuck? Oh shit.
You're a menace.
Okay, I guess अभी dispatch start कर रहे हैं हम लोग dispatching. Let's go. Chat, you're gonna help me out with this. Chat, I need you all. Chat, let's go.
It's weird that Coop's gone.
Let's go.
Coop and Vizzy together.
Okay,
Imagine
F.
Coop and busy all the time.
Take a hero out of resting. Damn. Okay.
Help us
Nice.
get this stuff out of the dorm, yeah? You guys do that kind of stuff, right?
Okay, load the heavy furniture and boxes into the moving truck. Carry the belongings down 2 flights of the stairs. इसके लिए हमें सिंपल वही चाहिए ना, स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए, कॉम्बैट. Carry the belongings down 2 flights of the stairs. जो उड़ सकती हो ना, जो मेरे ख्याल से उड़ने वाला भी सोनार को हमने फ्लाई वाला दिया था ना. Cobb and Punch Up were GF and BF, so that's why now he will disobey you. Just telling you for the future. Damn. Coop आई नहीं है. We need Viger. We need Viger? How we need Viger? Okay, dispatch.
I've been hearing a lot
Golem.
about some guy named Chad. I think he's trying to summon a demon.
Wait, wasn't there a cult named Chad?
Chad? Yeah.
Oh.
We sent
Slow
someone
down.
else. Have them pretend to be interested
I know,
in
I
joining
know.
the cult.
कूप को मैंने बाहर फेंक दिया था, लेकिन कूप पर पंचा पर नो गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड. ओके. Pretend to be interested in joining their cult. Read through their lives, learn their true motives. We need intellect and we need charisma. Sonar is perfect for this job. Maybe we can some from pretend to be. सिर्फ सोनार को भेजता हूँ. What do I say? सिर्फ सोनार को भेजता हूँ. सिर्फ सोनार को. Dispatch.
Always wanted to join a cult for research.
The guy in the front. What up, Zaim? Okay, the guy in the front of me just drove right off the side into the water. Resuscitate any survivor if able. If not, rush them to the hospital. Okay, so we need speed. First of all, we need speed. नसना पे आंचो हमने full speed. Invisible चाहिए हमें.
Interesting.
And speed and prism, I guess. What the fuck? Oh, what?
Fine.
No, मुझे समझ नहीं आई. What the fuck? मैं इन दोनों की भेज रहा हूँ. सिर्फ इन दोनों को भेजूंगा.
It's 3rd and 7 in the UCT red zone, and tensions have boiled over into a full-on
Fist fight, okay. Return piece to the football game using your fist. It's a superpower, okay. Fist, सही है. Combat चाहिए हमें. Combat के लिए हमारे पास flame bay है. Remove the troublemaker of the premises. सिर्फ flame bay भेज दूँ, सही है ना यार? सिर्फ flame bay. या पंच अभी भेजूँ?
You mind if I smoke?
No.
Robert, do you have eyes on my stapler?
Okay,
I left it at your desk.
Nope, I don't see it.
Every mission, let's see.
Feel like you didn't look.
कितना हुआ है?
It took like 2 seconds. I didn't see it.
Can you look again?
Yeah,
Oh.
still don't see it, dude.
Oh.
Why do you need it? You're in the field.
I just want to make sure.
मुझे
it's there.
पता था यार,
It's a
मुझे
very
पता था
nice
यार,
thing.
हमें स्पीड भी चाहिए यार, मुझे पता था, मैंने बैंडिया की मारी है. वाई कर देंगे हम गोलम को. गोलम इज गुड. Okay, we good chat. We have dispatched successfully. सही है.
Still working on that? Aren't these the best? I love the green ones, the green dew.
All yours. Take the whole thing if you want.
Awesome, my lucky.
Add the sub goal. So
Hey, I know what's for lunch or dinner, probably. Now, sorry for interrupting your meeting with Invisa.
Oh, god damn it. You threw my noodles away? My initials were literally on the box and everything. Fuck!
I don't read things. Sometimes it's different, like a logo, but it's probably still good.
I don't want the fucking trash noodles, wet fart boy.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Whatever, it was an accident. Just aim your dick up and
Mama
water
मुझे
pissed off.
मार ले.
That's not... You... I'm gonna go rinse off.
How would you like to have to walk around work the rest of the day with shit all over you?
I don't know, I don't think about that, because it won't happen. Because I'm not a fucking idiot food thrower awayer.
It was an accident. You don't have to be a bully about it. You want this in your report?
What, you gonna snitch on me? Motherfucker. You're just being a soft bitch about it.
Spaghetti या protein
Boy.
shake.
How am I being a
Protein
bully?
shake. मजा आएगा. मजा आएगा. Bit.
If it's in my hair, I'm going to fucking kill you.
Well, I got bad news for you.
Hey, Robert, could you... Oh. You have stuff on your face. What happened here?
I don't want to be a snitch, but Flambe accidentally made a mess.
Really?
Yes.
Well, you should probably go get cleaned up.
You
then,
don't mess
accident or not,
with the big
wipe up
leagues.
this mess
You
made.
never mess with the big leagues.
Yes.
Okay.
Bitch, I am your
That was-
daddy.
Listen,
Call me your
Robert,
daddy.
Jesus. Anyway, you talk to Chase. Who's it gonna be? Banana Man or Waterboy?
And these two are my only options.
What?
For now, yeah. Obviously, we can revisit it, but Waterboy is already a trainee, sorta, and you already know Phenomena Man got cut by DTLA. Thanks for getting him out of the parking lot, by the way. It might also help to get, you know...
Yo, wait. यार मेरे ख्याल से वाटर बॉय का फिनोमेना मैन, लेकिन फिनोमेना मैन हमें डिस्पैच में बहुत हेल्प करेगा, लेकिन ना मैन, he can get my blonde blazer back. What about that? You sure? You sure, Chad? Chad, you sure? Chad, you sure? Chad, what do you say? You should help him, man. Bro, from a man needs a bro. I know, और वो हमारी हेल्प भी करेगा डिस्पैच में. लेकिन if he fucking look at my bitch, I will fucking kill him, bro.
An actual good person on your team, which I'm positive both of them are.
Phenomena Man, I guess. I mean, I'm worried he has too much time to think right now.
That's... yeah.
Will remember that? No.
I feel the same way. He could use a distraction.
No.
So it won't be weird with your ex-boyfriend hanging around?
I mean, he's already hanging around, so he may as well be doing some good, instead of moping around the parking lot crushing cars.
You make a good point.
I'll let him know. You'll see him in the roster for your next dispatch.
Shit. Shit.
Hello, Robert. A moment of your time.
How do you move so quiet?
I float. If it would make you more comfortable, I could remove my clothes as well.
It would not. Look, if this is about picking you for Z-Team, wasn't even a hard decision.
Thank you.
No need.
Ew.
You're a legend. You should be out doing good.
But to do good, you need to be doing good. That's what a human person would say.
Yeah, I'm sure some human person would say that. Yeah.
My hug of gratitude seems to have reopened your chest wounds.
It's fine.
Yo, wait. Yo, we on dispatching in. We on wait. Let me bring a tray. Chat. मुझे मूंगफली खानी है यार. Okay.
Hey, team. We appreciate you doing your best last shift under the circumstances, but we are here to help.
Phenomenon किधर है?
More specifically,
Okay.
Phenomenon is here to help.
I am here to help.
A hero upgrade.
This is a joke, right?
A hero upgrade, okay.
This guy.
Didn't he also get fired?
Oh, sonar में
I
दो
know
abilities
things
हैं.
have been
So I can.
difficult for him
You continue.
lately, but
I'll
Robert and I believe he will
catch
make a
you
great
later. Gotta
addition
go.
to the team.
Okay, man.
you dumped him?
So
Fizzy.
sonar has two abilities. One is hybrid. One is mega bad.
Don't mind me.
The mean child is correct.
Damn.
It has indeed been difficult since the ending of my relationship with Lord Blazer. But any opportunity to see her again will make every day easier.
So I can improve, upgrade
Yeah,
sonar
it don't work that way, boy. Trust
as a mega bad 2, as a hybrid 2. तो अभी हमने इसको इम्प्रूव करना ही नहीं है. अभी हमने किसको इम्प्रूव करना है? इनविजिकल को. एंड इनविजिकल इज ऑलरेडी गुड इन मोबिलिटी. सो हम लोग करेंगे इनविजिकल को गुड इन मोबिलिटी. समझ रहे हो? आउट मैक्स करना है सबको. आउट मैक्स. Yo, first job.
We
Let's
have
go.
reason to believe that Mr. Vanderstank's life will be in danger at a meeting today.
Okay. First job, mobilize quickly to stop the assassination. Protect William Vanderstank and any others in harm's way. We have reason to believe that Mr. Vanderstank's life will be at danger at a meeting today. Mobilize quickly to stop the assassination. Okay, man. Awais, take care. Love you. Chat. Mobilize quickly to stop the assassination. Capture and detain the assassin. Protect William Vanderstank and any other in harm's way. So, we need mobility. सही है? We need. Ooh. No, wait. Phenomenon is powerful, man.
Typical.
Damn. Okay. I guess it's enough. इससे ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए हम लोगों को चीज़ कुछ भी. थोड़ा बहुत. Nah, I guess we good. We real good. Dispatch.
Phenomenon doesn't also turn.
Hero training.
Apologies.
Who do we give
I
the
thought I
hero
saw
training?
Lord Blazer in distress.
Phenomenon. I'm at the office.
Oh. I see.
So these 1-to-1 seem to be really working out. I think. Okay. So गोलम को हमने ट्रेनिंग दे दी है. मैंने बोला प्रिज्म, फ्लेम बे, सोनार. फ्लेम बे को देते हैं ट्रेनिंग. What do you guys say? Flame Bay is good. Flame Bay is good and sonar is good too. किसको दें?
On my way.
किसको दें? सोनार को देते हैं. सोनार लेकिन बहुत जल्दी इंजर हो जाता है. लेकिन सोनार को देनी चाहिए थी मेरे ख्याल से. Okay, one more job. Let's go. We are let down on new subscriber this month. Think you can spare someone?
Nope, budget cuts.
Well, then how the fuck are we supposed to do this?
You could try charming them with your winning personality.
Okay, winning personality. Recruit new SDN subscriber with a cheerful, positive, uplifting attitude. We need charisma and just charisma. Charisma. सोनार है हमारे पास, ये है, लेकिन सोनार बेहतर है सबसे इनसे, एटलीस्ट। डिस्पैच नाइस, सारा हो गया है इस बारी मजे के सक्सेस, इस बारी बहुत कॉल, नाइस, वी real good in dispatching, यार, we real good in dispatching.
Not only did you cut one of their dumb shit criminal buddies, you're also forcing them to work with
one of the greatest heroes of all time.
I was gonna say sad sack son of a bitch, but yeah, let's go with yours.
Go ahead.
Yeah, let's go with mine.
Hey kid. Love you.
Love you too, Ark.
Don't fuck this up.
Chat, where are you? Chat, why you ain't interested in dispatch? Damn. What is this? इसका अब है? ये इसका अब है? Yo, he insulted you. My boy said.
Hey, Mom. Hey, honey.
My boy said. Maybe Blonde Blazer will come and cheer up the mood. Blonde Blazer किधर हो? आ जाओ. Blonde Blazer, please. Oh, bro is watching porn. Damn.
Earlier that day, Blazer and I had breakfast at the rim of an active volcano. Then we made love.
I don't need to hear your sex stories.
We never had intercourse. My alien genitals were not compatible with hers.
That's cool.
Bro, एयर यूनियन के मुन पर नहीं गए ना यारा.
It's
आया वर्ड की उधर लड़ी हुई है और फटे चढ़ा हुआ है कवाली से पहले. What about that?
What were you saying?
She was the only thing I was passionate about. Her voice, her eyes, her disposition.
How do you know that's not healthy? I don't believe that.
Remarkable corporeal form.
How do you know she's the only thing you're passionate about if you haven't found anything else you're passionate about?
The only thing I can say, the only thing that is appropriate. मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ यारा.
All I'm saying is.
यही बोल रहा मैं.
What you need to do is find the next thing for you to be passionate
about. Exactly.
Because it's out there.
Thank you. I wish to make love to you again.
Again?
Though this time I will avoid squeezing the blood out of you.
Yeah.
I swear to God, this man. कवाली कैंसिल हो गई थी, बड़ा सीन था या ब्रो. मुझे एक बंदा मिला, फिर मैं उधर बैठा हुआ था वो कवाली वाले टाइम पे ना, कहीं पे शेल पे बैठा हुआ था मैं कुतबा. वो कहता है कि लड़ाई शड़ाई हुई है, कवाली कैंसिल. मैंने कहा लो जी गोरी है. वैसे कवाली फ्री की होती है ना ये एयर एमियन पे जाने के लिए. Oh, wait, what the fuck?
What you watching? Technically, you're still on the clock. Didn't peg you as a rom-com fan.
If I'm on the clock, you shouldn't be pegging me with anything, Robert.
Hey.
That's extremely inappropriate. Especially since I'm usually the picker, not the peggy.
Noted. Well, tell me how it is. I wanted to see that one.
At least 20 minutes of trailers.
Bro, listen to me. She will fuck me ruthless. Blonde Blazer will fuck me cute, but she will fuck me ruthless.
But I'm watching by the time the movie starts.
Same. You going solo?
I'm a loner, Robbie. A rebel. That night, feel bad asking people to pay when I'm just gonna sneak in. The only lame thing is I can't get snacks.
Floating buckets of popcorn do tend to draw a lot of attention.
Ah, but I miss it. I miss popcorn.
Yo, what? Shit at the. Oh! Oh! Oh my god. Yo, I cannot say anything. मैं कुछ ऊंचा बोल भी नहीं सकता. मेरी फैमिली आ गई थी अभी. बंद कर. पैंच. पाई आ गया था मेरा. You keep watching that movie. Yes, yes. A movie with Invisible. Dinner with Blazer. Shit! Shit! Oh no. Nah. Nah. Nah, ये क्या करूं मैं? ये क्या करूं मैं? ये क्या करूं मैं? Shit. 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 Yo, wait, let me see, bro. Hold on. Wait a second. नहीं बहुत जरूरी चॉइस है. बहुत जरूरी चॉइस है. I swear to God. No man. Damn bro, क्या करूं यार? Invisible because I'm horny right now, but Blonde Blazer because she got me my wifey. So obviously Blazer, I was kidding. मेरा मजाक था. Anytime Blazer, bro. Any fucking time Blazer.
See you tomorrow. No spoilers.
Yep. Have.
Bro, no. Don't make me sad, man.
Too much coffee?
Wait,
Sure. What's up?
this isn't what I look like.
What do you mean?
I don't totally know what you mean, but okay.
What do you mean?
The powers make me. Doesn't matter. I'm just gonna show you. Are you good with that?
No.
I have absolutely no idea what's about to happen, so this is very exciting.
Temper your expectations.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Damn. What do you mean? No. I'm confused.
I'm sorry.
You're disappointed.
Are
No.
you kidding? I can't tell if... Are you joking or am I joking?
It's a big difference.
You're what?
No.
What, 2 inches shorter?
And a brunette. Come on, it's. Okay, maybe if I wasn't called Blonde Blazer, I wouldn't be so self-conscious about it.
Damn.
People have
No.
expectations, and they never meet
Okay, sir.
me
What?
first.
Why care?
It's always the superhero.
You could have dressed up. Why care what I think? Yo, listen. मैंने पहले भी एक बार किस की है. Should I kiss her again? Why care what I think? But you know, I have to ask her a question कि भाई क्यों मतलब why are you telling me कि what I think, what I look like? Should I kiss her? It's a perfect moment again, bro. But should I? Should I? She invited me out. She invited me to a fucking dinner, bro. Come on. Nah, I shouldn't do this. No. मेरे अपनी mistakes से learn करना है भाई, not.
It's hard to live up to.
I won't kiss her.
Why do you care what I think?
Because I like you. And I think you like me.
I just wanted to hear you say it.
Hey, I'm Mandy.
Robert. It's really nice to meet you, Mandy.
Likewise. Would you like to have dinner with me, Robert?
शुक्र है मैंने किसने की, शुक्र है मैंने किसने की, शुक्र है मैंने किसने की.
Whoa. You fancy.
Well, it's all
I'm
Michelin
saved.
stars when you're on a date with me.
Oh, so this is a date.
If you think it is, it is.
Did you know that the Michelin star ratings were created by the tire company? They gave high ratings to restaurants away from the cities to get people to drive more and buy new tires.
I'm both in shock and really unsure what to do with this information.
I felt the same.
What?
Why is he here so late?
Bro.
I worry the answer might be sad. He's allowed to go home. Right?
Yes, I'm not running a sweatshop. Hey, water boy, go home.
Dafo. You don't rule our movement, boy.
What does he think that I could possibly
You never
be
do.
saying that would make him keep going? You sure you don't miss the blonde?
शुक्र है मैंने चुम्मी नहीं की
I
यार.
actually prefer brunettes, so this is great.
Oh, is it now?
Yeah, I actually came here tonight to ask you to dye your hair.
Oh, wow. What a coincidence.
I know. It's
Damn. Damn. Nice episode. Very nice episode. Very great episode. I would give it a solid 9.2 rating out of 10. This episode especially. Nice. Very good. Okay. 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 You know the 73 players of the kept kissing blonde a secret. Good. Okay, we good in stats. UN 36 player of the players returned to Baby Kaiju. UN 80% of the player failed to save all 3 businesses from the brain teaser. Damn. UN 57% of the player refused to play brain teaser games. Shit. Your most sent hero was Sonar. You performed better than 80 players of the play. I'm good. I know that I'm good. I know that. I know this fucking thing. You activated a hero's power 40 times. Yo, the next episode, we will play it on the next stream. So,
and they itching you.